This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Christine Montilia. This turnkey second-floor 2-bedroom condo offers gorgeous Florida sunsets and is located near the largest community pools in Pelican Sound Golf and Amp River Club. Fantastic location, walk to all of the amenities from 27 holes of bundled golf, 14 pickleball, 8 tennis, 6 bocce courts and state-of-the-art fitness center. Nestled up to the Estero River, this community offers access to the Gulf of Mexico with dry boat storage. Enjoy paddle boarding, kayaking and canoeing on the river. This freshly painted condo has numerous upgrades from the Plantation Shutters, decorative backsplash, pendant light fixtures, decorative fans, Bosch dishwasher and brand new AC 2023. If you are looking for an active lifestyle, look no further. Located only minutes from the RSW International Airport and right around the corner from Miromar Outlets, Coconut Point Mail, and fabulous restaurants. For more information, review the details below.